YouTube is an excellent platform for millions of videos across countless niches. Your video's thumbnail is that key ingredient to help you achieve massive visibility in no time. A thumbnail is indeed the first impression of a video. It is the process of making an impressive design. But before that, let's understand what is a YouTube thumbnail. A YouTube thumbnail is a small, clickable image that makes a visual gateway to your video content. These images appear alongside video titles and descriptions in search results on the YouTube homepage and users' subscription feeds. Let's see the 8 simple steps to create a YouTube thumbnail from scratch. Now choose an online thumbnail maker. There are several online tools that you can use to create enticing YouTube thumbnails. These tools are accessible through web browsers. Here are 3 popular and user-friendly online thumbnail makers for creating compelling YouTube thumbnails for your videos. Go to Canva. In the search box, search for YouTube thumbnail. It provides a variety of dedicated templates for YouTube thumbnail. Users can choose from various fonts, colors, and images to create a professional-looking thumbnail. Canva is user-friendly and suitable for both beginners and experienced designers. Now go to Snappa. Snappa is an easy-to-use graphic design tool with a YouTube thumbnail template. Click on Templates. Under Social Media Graphics, click on YouTube Thumbnail. It provides a variety of templates. Now go to Adobe Express. Adobe Express is an online design tool that includes a YouTube thumbnail template. Now go to Search for YouTube thumbnail. It provides various templates. It provides a range of customization options, including layout adjustments, text styles, and image uploads. Upload a high-quality image. Once you have decided which platform to use, upload a photo of decent quality from your computer as your video's thumbnail. In case you are making a thumbnail without using a template, then your thumbnail image must follow YouTube policy and parameters. The image resolution must be 1280 by 720 pixels. Minimum width of 640 pixels. Format as a JPEG, GIF, or PNG file. File size must be less than 2 megabytes. An aspect ratio of 16:9. Add a background to your thumbnail. Generally, the background image consumes most of the thumbnail space and speaks a lot about the content of the video. You can also consider how the text will appear against the background image. Add crisp and catchy text for engagement. With an interesting and crisp text, your audience will perceive the context of the video even before clicking it. Thus, the text on the thumbnail also plays a major role in building the interest of your viewers. Also, due to the limitation of space in the thumbnail, try to keep the content short and simple. Analyze your competitor's thumbnail. To rank better among thousands of videos, it is important to analyze your competitors' existing content. You may even find inspiration for your thumbnail by researching thumbnails of other videos that have a compelling design. You can make your research run around elements like background image, text, font, color, and contrast. Create a standard template design. Once you are done with your research and have built a basic idea of the expected thumbnail that aligns with your brand, make sure to use these inputs to create a standard thumbnail template. You can reuse this template for future videos. This eventually gives your channel a more branded and professional look. Upload the final YouTube thumbnail. Once you have finalized the standard template, use the layout to design the thumbnail for your existing video. You can simply select the image and upload it in the thumbnail section of the video upload section. And that's all. These were the 8 ways to create YouTube thumbnail from scratch. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you liked this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.